Lay down. Here, lay on your backpack. Lay on your backpack.
Yeah.
Lay on your backpack.
Hi, there's an accident on the way.
Hey, talk to me. Are you okay? Are you okay? What's hurting?
Okay, Mom.
Hello? I'm here for you. Just look at me. Look at me. Stay conscious. You don't wanna.
Let's lay him on his back.
No,
Can you lay
her?
Oh, her. I'm down.
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. It's best for you.
You need to lay down. It hurts to lay down.
Oh, her back.
It's probably her back.
Were you
Yeah,
laying down when we originally set up? Or how?
I swerved in the airplane and then we hit you and you
I've got a full thing, but it's not going through.
I couldn't stop until we're moving back north. I can turn it off.
No, motorcyclist
I
down.
was okay.
Her
I
back.
know, but you need to be careful right now. What happened? You like swerved out.
I swerved because I was going to almost hit another car, and I braked and I swerved.
It's connected to my bag.
It was ready to come in. I hit my